In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post in Skool. Pinning keeps an important post visible at the very top of your community feed so members always see it first. It's perfect for announcements, house rules, onboarding instructions, or time-sensitive updates. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open your web browser and search for Skool. In the results, look for the official Skool website. If you're ever unsure, check that the address looks correct and familiar before you click. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're signing in to the right place. Go ahead and click the correct link to open Skool. If your browser is already signed in, you may land on your dashboard. If not, you'll be prompted to log in next. Now, log into your Skool account. Use your usual credentials and, if prompted, complete any verification steps. Make sure you're signing in to the account that has access to the community where you want to pin a post. If you manage multiple communities, confirm you're in the right one before continuing. Once you're in, head to the Community tab. You'll typically find it in the main navigation across the top. This is your central feed, where posts from your members and moderators appear. If your community has categories or filters, you can still pin a post from within the main feed or from inside a specific category's view. Next, click on the post you want to pin. Choose a post that benefits most from visibility, like a welcome message or a current announcement. Open the post so you can see its full content and the action menu. In the top right corner of the post, click the three dots. This opens the More Options menu for that specific post. Take a moment to ensure you're on the exact post you intend to pin, especially if several posts look similar. From the menu, click Pin to Top. Skool will immediately move that post to the top of your community feed. You'll usually see a pinned indicator, and members will see it first when they visit the Community tab. If you don't see the Pin to Top option, it typically means your role in the community doesn't include pinning permissions, so you may need an admin or owner to perform this action. And that's it. Open Skool, log in, go to the Community tab, select the post, open the three-dot menu, and choose Pin to Top. With your key message pinned, your community can't miss it.